kukhulunywa ngomfazi ongayihloniphi indoda, uma kukhulunywa ngomfazi ongamhloniphi udifa, kusuke kukhulunywa ngoMaMzobe. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on UMKHOKHA from the 29th to the 31st of May 2023 on Monday. Things take a turn for the worse after MaMzobe reveals Mlungisi is her secret child with Mthembu. Difa's life hangs in the balance on Tuesday. MaMzobe comes clean to Mlungisi about his bloodline, while Manzimande tries to do damage control. Kulegani gets a rude wake-up call about where he belongs in the Mthembu house on Wednesday. Mabusi and Sephamandla take things to the next level in their romance. The romance between Mabusi and Sephamandla elevates, and there is no denying the love between them. Nampaka abanye guys balibele ucansi ekubeni ubukhosi buhamba. That's all I have for today. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion.